Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious vegan fudge. First, gather your essential ingredients: plant-based butter, dairy-free chocolate chips, and sweetened condensed coconut milk. Next, prepare an 8 by 8 inch baking dish by lining it with parchment paper, leaving an overhang for easy removal. Make sure all your ingredients are at room temperature. This helps them combine smoothly for the best texture. Now let's get cooking. In a medium saucepan, combine your plant-based butter and sweetened condensed coconut milk. Place the pan over medium heat, stirring continuously for about 5 minutes until the mixture reaches a gentle boil. Once it starts to boil, remove the pan from the heat immediately. Quickly stir in your dairy-free chocolate chips until they are completely melted and the mixture is smooth and glossy. Once your fudge mixture is smooth, pour it evenly into the prepared 8 by 8 inch baking dish. Use a spatula to spread it out if needed. Now comes the waiting game. Place the dish in the refrigerator and chill for at least 2 hours, or until the fudge is completely firm. For extra flavor, you can stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or a few drops of peppermint oil before chilling. After your vegan fudge has thoroughly chilled and firmed up, carefully lift it out of the baking dish using the parchment paper overhang. Place it on a cutting board and slice it into 1-inch squares. This delicious treat is perfect for sharing or enjoying yourself. Store any leftover fudge in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 week. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.